There is a lot of uncertainty in our lives right now. Due to its court case, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase, is attacking xrp+ripple. This could make the price of our favorite coin drop by a lot. It's not all black and white, though, since the CEO of Ripple is sure that the price of XRP will soon reach $104. In what should we believe? What must we do? Watch this video to find out everything you need to know. Do not miss a single second. In a recent court case in the world of cryptocurrencies, investors have made major claims against Coinbase, which is one of the most well-known exchanges in the US. What do they say? Coinbase has been selling investments in securities that have not been listed with the government. This could shake the exchange to its core and send shockwaves through the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. As defendants in the lawsuit brought in the Northern District of California, Coinbase Global and its CEO, Brian Armstrong, are named. The main claim of the lawsuit is that Coinbase has been operating as an unlicensed broker-dealer since the beginning. That should be considered securities under California law are giving and selling digital assets. xrp+ripple, a major player in the cryptocurrency world, is one of the tokens that they are after. The wide range of accusations in this court battle is what makes it so interesting. The plaintiffs say that Coinbase not only didn't register as a broker-dealer, but they also actively pushed these digital assets as ways to invest. Using a lot of different outlets, such as its website, social media, and even high-profile ads like Super Bowl commercials. One interesting part of the lawsuit is that it says Coinbase didn't give any other use cases for these tokens besides investing. Basically, they say that Coinbase sold these assets only as ways to make money, not as useful tools. This fits with a larger trend in the crypto world, where some assets are seen more as ways to speculate than as ways to make transactions or build independent apps. This legal drama is also happening against the background of an earlier court case between Coinbase and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC sued Coinbase last year, saying that the exchange was selling securities that weren't listed with the SEC. The fact that the court didn't throw out the case in March 2024 only strengthens the SEC's position and gives the investors' claim more weight. This case has effects that go far beyond Coinbase's bottom line. Coinbase could be hit with big fines and penalties if they are found guilty of selling securities that haven't been listed. More importantly, the case could set a standard for how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US, which could change the way the whole business works in the future. At this point, it's important to stress that these are just accusations, and Coinbase has not yet had a chance to defend itself in court. But the seriousness of the claims shows how hard things are for not only Coinbase, but the crypto community as a whole as it deals with the complicated world of rules and regulations. One thing is clear as investors and other people involved in the business: wait for the outcome of this legal battle. Something bad could happen to xrp+ripple and other digital assets that are linked to Coinbase. Their future depends a lot on how this high-stakes court case turns out. But is xrp+ripple's story really all bad news? Can one exchange like Coinbase have so much control over the future of our favorite cryptocurrency? Ready? What you're about to learn will make you question everything you thought you knew. Even though the court cases are still going on, xrp+ripple is almost certain to win a major success. Even though Coinbase is having a rough time, xrp+ripple has never looked more confident. Are you interested? Keep reading as we go into more of the story's interesting changes and twists. Get ready to have your ideas tested and your interest piqued. As the court case between the SEC and Ripple comes to a head, investors in XRP are on edge, eagerly anticipating the next part in this high-stakes drama. XRP made small gains in the most recent Sunday overview, which was a sign of hope. However, the upcoming court filings put a shadow of doubt over the cryptocurrency's future. As the deadline draws near, all eyes are on the SEC's remedy-related reply brief, which should be out by Monday, and will be followed by a version with some changes on Wednesday. These papers come at a very important time in the SEC's Ripple case as Judge Annalisa Torres gets ready to decide what punishment Ripple should get for allegedly breaking U.S. laws about stocks. It couldn't be more important since the SEC wants to fine Ripple over $2 billion and the company is strongly against such a large fine. As an example, Ripple says that the SEC's suggested fine is much higher than what is necessary, pointing out that they have not been accused of fraud or manipulation. They say that under Section 20 of the Securities Act, they should be treated as a Tier 1 case, which would make the suggested penalty much smaller. But that's not the end of the judicial trouble. In addition to the current court case, the SEC could file an appeal against the decision to allow programmatic trades of XRP. However, Judge Annalisa Torres' previous decision in July 2023 that programmatic sales of XRP did not meet the Howey test, the SEC's possible appeal could make it even less clear what XRP's regulatory position is. For investors, this current court case shows how risky it is to put money into cryptocurrencies, where clear regulations are still hard to come by. The SEC vs. Ripple case is still open, and the result is still uncertain. XRP's future is also uncertain, as each court filing and decision could change its path in unexpected ways. As the days get closer to the end of the world, buyers are getting ready for the worst that is yet to come for XRP Ripple. You should be ready for a storm in the world of XRP and Ripple. But it's not just about legal fights and uncertain rules. No, it's about something much more tempting: the huge gains that could be made. Experts say that XRP Ripple is about to go through a high price rise that will amaze everyone, even though the legal situation is unstable. But what does this growth really look like? What do you think will happen? Prepare yourself, because what you're about to learn about trading in cryptocurrencies will make you question everything you thought you knew. This news will not only shock you, it will blow your mind. While XRP Ripple deals with its rough legal fights and regulatory problems, analysts and researchers keep painting a bright picture for the future of the cryptocurrency. Some experts think that XRP will achieve unimaginable heights, with a mind-boggling goal of $104 on the horizon. This is despite recent price changes and a somewhat flat trajectory. The recent rise in the price of XRP, even though it's only 3%, suggests that the market may be recovering from recent drops. Bitcoin and Solana, on the other hand, have seen triple-digit gains over the past year, so XRP's success may not seem very impressive. But even at its current price of 53 cents, XRP trades at levels similar to those seen 6 years ago, which suggests that it has been stuck for a long time. Even though people are skeptical, experts at Changeley Crypto Exchange are still optimistic about XRP's future. Based on their study, they make a bold prediction. XRP's value could skyrocket to $104 by April 2040, which is a huge 20,000% increase from where it is now. Although this lofty goal may seem impossible, it shows how cryptocurrencies have the ability to completely change the way money works. What reasons could cause XRP to rise to triple-digit levels? With the end of the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit looming big, regulatory clarity turns out to be a key driver. Ripple has made progress in getting rights to send money in the US, and forming partnerships for supply chain solutions are signs that they will be used more in the financial industry. Ripple's upcoming initial public offering IPO and the chance of exchange-traded funds investing in XRP could also give institutional investors new ways to buy it, which would drive up its price even more. Its growth is also helped by the new ideas that come from the XRP development group, like adding automated market maker functionality, as XRP moves toward $104. With more than 16 years of history, there is plenty of time for big changes to happen. From important regulatory milestones to new technologies, every step forward gets XRP closer to becoming a global digital asset that can do anything. As buyers think about what might happen, one thing is certain: the future of XRP Ripple is full of hope and possibility, and those brave enough to go on this crypto journey will have a great time. But hold on, things get even stranger in the plot. Even the CEO of Ripple, who is a big deal in the world of cryptocurrencies, couldn't ignore this bold prediction and what was going on with Coinbase. He chose to weigh in on the future of XRP Ripple, which caused a huge stir in the business world. What did he say? I'm telling you, you're not ready for the shock he dropped. You will be completely shocked by this news. XRP's huge potential was talked about by Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, in a recent interview, using its important part in solving multi-trillion-dollar problems. Analysts believe that XRP will continue to rise. Garlinghouse emphasized that the project's ability to face big problems head-on sets it up for big growth in the years to come. Garlinghouse talked about how important XRP is to the payment system and how it can speed up deals and make it easier to move trillions of dollars around the world. Ripple's main focus is still on payments, but Garlinghouse said that XRP has untapped promise that goes beyond liquidity solutions, hoping that one day it will be a useful digital product that can be used in many ways by consumers. In order to show how Ripple and XRP are growing,